Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I've been out at my local Lidl supermarket and I've picked up myself one of these Parkside drill bit sharpeners. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this tool. I picked up this drill bit sharpener from Lidl for £12.99 with the Lidl Plus app. The regular price was £19.99. So if you've got the app it's £12.99. And it says on the box Parkside drill bit sharpener. The model is PBSG 95F6. Comes with the 3-year warranty. Simple and safe sharpening of HSS drill bits. Connected load is 95 watts. The no load rotation speed 1350 RPM. For 20 sizes ranging from 3mm up to 13mm. So that covers pretty much anything. In DIY standards that you want to sharpen, all the drill bits that you might have, standard drill bits, and it comes with 2 extra grinding discs, I suppose you could call them. Pretty simple tool, a little bit like a pencil sharpener but for drill bits. So let's open up the box and take a look what's inside. And it also says that the power cable is 2 meters long. So the tool comes with the instruction manual, there's the tool itself, and there's 1 extra grinding disc, so I'm assuming that the other one is already fitted to the machine. It's quite big, I thought it'd be smaller. Feels quite robust and solid, it's got a rubber base, so we'll take a closer look at it now. If you're interested in knowing the sound levels of this tool, it says in the manual the noise level is 61 decibels and sound power level is 74 decibels. Before we start testing out this tool, just to be clear, this tool is designed to sharpen this kind of drill bit here. The ones with these flat faces on the top, there's 2 of them and they go into a point. Your sort of standard type of drill bit, as you can imagine, the grinding wheel will come into contact with these edges. It's not designed for drill bits such as this one, which is a masonry drill bit, which has these pieces on the sides, because it would knock them off and damage the bit, and it would damage the wheel inside the machine as well. And it's not designed for wood drill bits like this, because as you can see, they don't have those faces as such to sharpen. So it's only designed for this type of drill bit, I believe. You can see here on the machine you've got holes ranging from 3mm all the way up to 13mm, so you can just test where your bit needs to go. It doesn't quite fit there, it fits there, so I use that hole, and I'd advise checking it before you turn the machine on. So this needs the 5.5, and when you start off you want this dial here to be in the down position. There's an arrow that marks up and down. Down is anti-clockwise, so this is all the way down, and then you want to work your way up very slowly until you can hear the stone inside making contact with the bit. And then it says in the manual, when you make contact with the stone, just apply light pressure and twist it 10 times one way, and then turn it 180 degrees and do it 10 times again on the other side, so you're doing each face. Right, so I've sharpened 4 of my really blunt drill bits. It takes a bit of getting used to, and it definitely, for me, took more than 10 per side, probably 20 or 30 per side, to get them sharp all the way across the faces so that you can see shiny metal all the way across. Seems to have done the trick. They look sharp now, they feel sharp, so the only thing left to do is to test them on some wood. As you can see, the ends now are quite shiny across the faces. Not perfect, but they feel sharp and they look a lot better than they did before, so let's see how they do on some wood. So yep, all of these drill bits go through pine very easily, they just blast through it, so it does seem to have done the trick. Okay, so that's about it for this video then. So there you have it, a Parkside drill bit sharpener, cheap and cheerful. It does what it says on the tin, it sharpens drill bits. What do you think? Please let me know your experiences if you've got one of these yourself, and if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.